Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to show how to convert global shapefile data into your asset in Google Earth Engine. It is very important video, so I want to request you please see this video up to the end. And if you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. And of course, click on the bell icon to get notification of such kind of unique videos on geospatial analysis. I'll show how to convert global shapefile data into your asset in Google Earth Engine using 3 steps. Better to say 2 steps. First of all, you need to call the global administrative boundaries or anything global shapefile data. First thing is this, to call the global shapefile data. For this, I used the FAO GAUL 2015 level 2 global shapefile data of the administrative boundaries, and for this I used to choose Chamoli district of Uttarakhand in India. For this you need to create this code Chamoli. I'm naming the variables as Chamoli, then districts means this variable means the global asset of shapefile, and then filter the Chamoli administrative name to Chamoli. Okay, and then I used to do map center object Chamoli, and then Chamoli district boundary to the map add layer. I used to do this earlier, and this is the first step, means the calling the global shapefile data, and the second step is you need to export to asset the global data. For this you need to create export.table. This is a shapefile, so you need to use this export.table to asset the shapefile into my asset. So then collection this Chamoli, this variable or shapefile variable is Chamoli. So collection Chamoli, description Chamoli district shapefile, and the asset ID users, and this is my username. You need to use your username, and then the shapefile I am naming as Chamoli district shapefile. This is the second step, and then you need to see whether the shapefile is exported or not. Before this, I want to export the shapefile to my asset, so I'm clicking on the run button. Okay, it is taking a little bit time, and see that this is the shapefile, and click on the task, and then you need to find Chamoli district, means to export to the asset you need to click on the run in the taskbar, and Chamoli district shapefile e asset, and this is the user ID. You can change project etc., but I don't want to change this Chamoli district shapefile, and then just click on the run. It will take a little bit time, so within this I want to request you please help by your subscription to my channel. You have not to pay anything to subscribe my channel, and of course like this video, share among your friends, and comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me regarding all those videos etc. And I am using this Google Earth Engine, ArcGIS, different geospatial analysis platform to create unique videos. So please like this video, share among your friends, and of course subscribe my channel. See that the export to the asset is done, so click on the asset, refresh this. Within this asset, see that Chamoli district shapefile. You can click on this and see that here the table ID. You can copy this, and then what you need to do, you can paste here and uncomment this and run. See what happened. This is the Chamoli district previously. which was in red color, but this is the Chamoli district shapefile from asset. From asset, this is in blue color. See that? Here I used to blue color, but in the previously it was red color. In this way, you can export the global shapefile or global boundary, administrative boundary shapefile, etc. to the asset, and from that asset you can use as per your need when you need. You need not to use all these codes. You just need to use this single two code or one code. This is for map adler, but it is the actual code. Okay, thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Please stay connected with my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. Thank you so much.